What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best headlight restoration kit on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. Restores headlight to a like new appearance and removes haze. Headlight lenses on your vehicle can become yellow, dull, and hazy from the sun. Our headlight restoration kit fully removes haze and corrosion and restores the clarity and shine you need to see down road at night. Restores headlight light output. Restores original clarity and vision to sun-damaged plastic headlight lenses. The lenses will be clearer, the headlight will shine brighter, and the road ahead will be better illuminated. 3 easy steps to restore long-lasting protection to your headlights. Step 1, Surface Activator. Proprietary activator softens plastic, making it easier to sand smooth. Step 2, Sand and polish. Step 3, Finish and seal with UV block clear coat applicator. Lifetime warranty. The components of this kit are good for 2 headlight assemblies. Once installed properly, the performance of the Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit is guaranteed by a lifetime warranty for as long as you own your car. The Sylvania standard of quality, with over 100 years in business, Sylvania is the world leader in automotive lighting for original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, and the aftermarket. In our list, the number 4 product name is Megya's 2-step headlight restoration kit. Restore headlight clarity, introducing a car detailing kit featuring high-quality car care products that quickly and easily restore headlights. The simple 2-step process removes oxidization and yellowing for long-lasting clarity. Year-long protection. The revolutionary headlight coating in this car care kit helps your car shine brighter, longer by protecting against yellowing and reoxidation for up to 12 months of better working, better looking headlights. Only 2 steps. Simply apply the cleaning solution to the included abrasive pads, then apply the headlight coating, no drill required. It quickly and easily removes oxidation, cloudiness, and yellowing for brilliant, lasting clarity. Better visibility 80 night. By improving your headlights' clarity, these car care kits for headlight restoration not only enhance the look of your ride, but the newly transparent surface also improves visibility and safety for nighttime driving. No drill required. The cleaning solution is an easy-to-use oxidation remover for car headlights that delivers a crystal clear finish without sanding or drills. Just use the included abrasive pads and rejuvenate your headlights by hand. In our list, the number 3 product name is Rain X Headlight Restoration Kit. Professional grade headlight restoration kit. Get crystal clear headlights with Rain X's Headlight Lens Restore Kit. It erases scratches and smooths the surface, delivering a polished finish at a fraction of the professional cost. Long-lasting results. Our Headlight Restore Kit includes a protective sealant that extends the life of your restoration, shielding headlights from future weather damage and keeping them clear for longer. Easy DIY solution. Whether you're an experienced DIY enthusiast or a beginner, This headlight cleaner for cars is easy to use, providing hassle-free headlight polish and restoration for less effort and maximum results. Enhanced visibility for safer driving, improved night driving with clearer, brighter headlights. The Rain X Cloudy Headlight Restoration Kit removes impurities and grime, ensuring safer road trips with better visibility. Consistent, professional results. Unlike traditional hand sanding, this headlight clear coat and polish system guarantees consistent, professional quality results, giving you extended protection against future weather and grime. Restore your vehicle's headlights to like new clarity with the Rain X Premium Headlight Restoration Kit. This easy to use headlight cleaning kit erases scratches, fogginess, and grime with a professional grade solution that combines sanding and polishing for unbeatable results. Designed for both DIY beginners and enthusiasts, this headlamp restoration kit delivers consistent, crystal clear finishes at a fraction of the professional cost. The built-in headlight coating provides long-lasting protection, shielding your headlights from future damage caused by weather and road grime. Not only does this headlight buffing kit improve the look of your car, but it also enhances visibility for safer night driving. For anyone looking for a reliable headlight polisher, this foggy headlight restoration kit is the ultimate solution, offering professional results with minimal effort. In our list, the number 2 product name is Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Lasts as long as you obey and your vehicle. Our chemists developed our ceramic coating headlight restoration kit in-house at Cerakote HQ. We aren't rebottling another company's product. This is a ceramic coating for cars that chemically bonds to your headlights and provides UV protection for as long as you'll own your vehicle. No power tools required. Everything is included in the kit for your car. There are no tools required that could potentially damage your headlights or paint. There's nothing worse than having to call your crazy uncle you haven't seen since the holidays because he's got the power tools you need. After he hollers stand clear, fires up his wheezing disc sander, runs it off of your headlight and across the paint on your hood. It's too late. Don't buy a kit that requires tools. Restores and protects from UV. This isn't the classic bait and switch you're used to. We won't sell you something that needs to be purchased again in a few months. Our ceramic coating wipes provide a layer of UV protection that will last as long as you own your vehicle. We believe in providing our customers the best products on earth the first time. After all, we're the chemists that have been providing world-class ceramic coatings to endless industries for decades. It's what we do. 3 easy steps. Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit is a simple, 30-minute process. Step 1. You'll be mesmerized by our oxidation remover as you wipe away the hazy surface oxidation. Step 2. Use our ergonomic surface prep pad to remove the deep oxidation and prep your headlight for the ceramic clear coating. Step 3. Cerakote's pre-moistened ceramic headlight restoration wipes restore your headlights to a like-new condition that will last as long as you own your vehicle. Why trust Cerakote? Cerakote is regarded as the world's leading innovator and manufacturer of true inorganic ceramic polymer technology. The ceramic polymers and coatings produced at Cerakote's US facility are trusted by some of the most advanced aerospace, automotive, and technology companies in the world. Really on the industry leader to protect what matters to you. In our list, the number 1 product name is Novus Clear in 5 Headlight Restoration Kit. Fast, time is of the essence, and we understand that. Clear in 5 is specifically engineered to deliver fast results. In just a few simple steps, you can restore your headlights to their former glory. Easy. Clear in 5 is designed with simplicity in mind. With easy to follow instructions and user friendly tools, restoring your headlights has never been easier. No need for expensive professional services or complicated procedures. Affordable? Say goodbye to costly headlight replacements or expensive professional restoration services. Clear in 5 offers an affordable alternative that doesn't compromise on quality. Effective, long lasting, our Novus plastic polish has been trusted in the plastic and acrylic industry since 1972. The Clear in 5 headlight restoration kit not only restores your headlights, but it will protect them as well. Includes one Novus plastic polish, 3 heavy scratch remover, 2 O's bottle, 1 Novus plastic polish, 2 fine scratch remover, 2 O's bottle, 1 Novus plastic polish, 1 plastic clean shine, 2 O's bottle, 1 3 foam buffing pad, 1 3 backing pad drill attachment, 1 3 1000 grit sanding disc, and 3 Novus Polish Mate disposable towels.